Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Tarif Hasan, student ID 180238. Our project is online examination system. I am presenting our system on behalf of our group along with Raihan Zobayer, student ID 180209 and Muhammad Rahul Islam, student ID 190221. Online examination system is the revolutionary concept in the field of education. Online examination system has transformed the traditional concept of physically attending exam in an exam hall at any institution. So online examination system is a digital platform designed to conduct examinations or tests over the internet. It replaces the traditional paper-based examination system by a computer-based system offering various advantages such as increased efficiency, accessibility, and reduced administrative work. It needs few seconds to produce all students' results and ranks. Our online examination system is very efficient, time and cost saving compared to traditional paper-based exam. Our system mainly focuses on multiple choice questions. Let's explore our system and see its components and functionality. So this is the main user interface of our system. To enter our system, an user needs to log in. If an user does not have account, then he needs to register to our system. Suppose I don't have any account, so I have to register. Now click on sign up to register to our system. Now you have to fill up the forms. Here you can see enter username, email, password, address and upload your image. Here I have written my name, then email, and you have to set a password. Enter your address. Now I will select the image. Now click on sign up to register to your system. Here you can see enter your 6-digit OTP and OTP code will be sent to your email address. So go to your email. Here you can see online examination, email verification, and here you can see the 6-digit OTP code. Now I will copy it and then I will paste it here. I will click on verify. So we have registered to our system. Now we have to log in. To log in, we need to enter the registered email and password. So this is the home page of our system and it will also create profile for every user. So this is our profile. You can see our profile picture and our profile name. If I click on here, you can see our profile and our given information. From here you can easily update your information. So this is the home page of our system. Here we have to select a class to participate in exam. Suppose I'm selecting class 1. Now you have to select the subject. Here we have some subject. I will select Bangla, then select a chapter. So this is the exam page where you will get the exam question. Right now here you can see any question because no recent exam are scheduled. So we have to schedule exam time to arrange exam. Now go to admin side to schedule an exam. Now I will go to the admin side of our system. First of all, you have to log in giving the registered email and password. Now click on login. So this is the internal page of our system's admin side. So go to schedule exam. So this is the exam schedule page. From here you can easily set an exam. Here you can see the previously scheduled exam. Now I will delete this one. Now we have to schedule an exam. So we have to write down the exam name. Suppose I'm writing down final exam 2023. Now you have to select the exam starting time. From here we can easily select the starting time. Now we have to select the exam closing time. Click on schedule exam. Now you can see the exam is scheduled. Now reload this page. So when our current time will be same as the starting time, then exam will be started and question will be displayed to us and it is about to start. Now you can see question appeared in front of us and countdown started. So I am answering the question. Suppose last two questions I am providing the wrong answer. After answering the questions, we can manually click on submit button to submit our answer. If the time is up, it will automatically submit all of our selected answer till the time is up. This is the special feature. Suppose you forgot to click the submit button, it will automatically submit our answer. When the remaining time will be 0, it will automatically submit our exam. So you can see our score is 8 out of 10 and correct answer is 8 and wrong answer is 2. This result will also send to our registered email. Here you can see your result has been sent to this email. So now I will take you to this email. Here you can see our new email. Muhammad Tarif Hasan, your recent result is here. Check it out. You have got 8 out of 10, correct 8 and wrong 2. Click here to see your all results and ranks. So now I will click on this link. So here you can see all of our previous exam that we have attended, and this is showing us our recent result, and I have got 8 out of 10 and my rank is 1. This is how we can participate in exam using our system. And now I will take you to the admin side. Here we can see the results section. We can see all of the users' results and their rank. This is the manage users section. In this section you can see the registered user of your system. From here you can remove any user. This is the class section. In this section we can add class name. We can edit the class name from here, and we can also delete the class. Here you can see add subject. From here we can add the subject. We can also edit and delete the subject. In this section we can add chapter of subject, and we can also edit and delete. This is the question section. In this section you can add questions for exam. Just select your exam name, then enter class name, then you have to select subject, then chapter. I'm writing down the question. Now I have to write down the options, and now we have to write down the correct option. Then click on add question. The question will be added. Here we can see the question has been added. If I click on edit, we can also edit the questions, and if we want we can also delete the question. So this is how you can add, delete and edit questions, and you can also schedule for an exam. If I schedule here, or you can change the exam schedule time, just edit information. Now I will select a class. Now you have to select the subject, select the chapter, and this is the current time, and when the current time will be equal to the exam starting time, our exam will be started and question will be displayed to us. You can see few seconds left to start exam. Finally the exam is started. Here we can see the question appeared. So we have to answer the question. And when the time is up, it means the remaining time is 0. It will also automatically submit our answer. No need to click on submit button. Then few seconds left. Our result, we have got 4 out of 10, correct answer 4 and wrong answer 6. And the result has been sent to our email address. I am going to my email address. Your recent result is here. Please check it out. Here you can also see go to result to see your previous result and ranks. If I click on here, it will show us our previous exam result and rank. We have stored our system information to the MySQL Workbench database, and this is our database. If you are user of our system, if we want to contact with us, then click on contact us, then fill up this form, enter your name, enter your address, email subject and write your message, then click on send. We will receive your email and I will click on send. You can see email sent successfully. And here we can see I have received an email from a user, and this is how our system works. Though our system has some ethical issues because it is hard to monitor an examinee is copying or not. Apart from this issue, our online examination system is very efficient, time and cost saving compared to traditional paper-based exam. So that's all about our system, and thank you for your attention.